Hello, welcome back. Okay, our first component. This is going to be an ending to any dance that you do. So you've got several moves that you're probably going to incorporate into your dance, but this is going to give that polished look at the very end for a nice little picture moment for all your fans and family, okay? So just know this is going to be a good one. We want to give you a few degrees and options on these things because sometimes, depending on what you're wearing, all of a sudden, how tired you are after a long day, you want to be sure that you have options to go through. So this is a good one. So this is called the stand ending, okay? For whatever dance you're doing, this is the one you want to apply. Now, when you get to the end of a dance, now it depends on what you're doing. If you got this hand, just slide out to this hand, right to her left, okay? You're going to roll her into the hand to the chest, okay? You just kind of bring her in, catch her, and she rolls right in. Okay? At this point, the hand goes on the chest. Gentlemen, you can be very macho and you can have the hand down to the side, look at her, or you can put the hand here. Either way. At this point, everybody's flashing off the cameras. Okay?
So you're pausing there.
Pause.
For a little bit of time. Let everybody know it's the ending.
Yes, give her a kiss. She gives you a kiss. Happy ending, happy day. Cool? Yes. So this allows you to, again, it's just rolling in. Now, remember, you're going to be a little nervous. Got a lot of energy probably. Now, when you roll in, gentlemen, we are not spinning. We are actually adjusting. Don't run away from her, okay? She's spinning towards you. You just want to kind of catch her and roll in. We'll give you another view on this. So when she comes through, you catch her on the back, she brings the arm up, boom, there it is. Okay? Now, I'm going to bring it from this side. Okay? So our back is to you, okay? So I'll roll her in, I just catch her on the back, her elbow comes above, boom. Okay? You see how that works? She brings the elbow up over my arm, but I keep my arm low. When you do this, gentlemen, again, depending on the arm, if I go up above and put it up here, it's having a hard time for her to bring it up. I got to keep it low, okay? And that allows her to bring the elbow up. If you want to make sure that the arm stays low, just catch her on the top of the shoulder, just like so. There, okay? And that's an option that you two can actually discuss what works well for you. Cool? Now that is the standing. Now, we do have a slight other option for this. This is an over-rotation of this. Cool? Let's take it back over here for a moment. Now, when I over-rotate, it has a little bit more of a twisting action, a little bit more. You're not twisting exactly, but you're over-rotating. So I get over here, I get out of her way, catch her again, she over-rotates to this point. Kind of the same thing. So you're going from here, but you're over-rotating into here. Cool? Now, I get out of the track. I get out of this little way, and I let her come by, catch her, and over-rotate her. You're still standing up on your own 2 feet, same for both parties. Cool? Let's take it from this angle. So, we go wrap in, catch her, okay? Instead of here, we over-rotate to here, okay? And you can kiss her or whatever you want to do at that point. All right, so one more time. You don't, one thing you don't want to do, guys, you don't want to pull, okay? She's going to come through there. It's just about, she's not a wagon. Okay, she's not a wagon. You just want to rotate, catch her, boom. Lovely moment. Yes? Cool? So, let's take it from this angle one more time. You bring her in, get out of the way. Boom. Yes? So this allows you, when I start this off, let's take it just from the side for a second. Excuse me. So when I come up from the side, you see that I'm in line with her, I'm looking at her, hey, how's it going? I get out of the way, I catch, and boom. That's an over-rotation. You stay in the track, you stay in the way when you want her to just get into the chest. But you can over-rotate here. Now, your plan is to pick one or the two. Gentlemen, ladies, we know that things happen on the floor sometimes that you plan for, but it just doesn't happen. Okay? So when you find she's got a lot of power, okay, and she's setting this up, gentlemen, if you over-rotate by any chance, by mistake, but it still works, you're still good. And she's like, well, you just figured that one out. It's a lot of energy, nerves, and so forth. But if you relax, breathe, and relax your knees a little bit, you'll be just fine. So this is a standing ending. It's really, really cool and comfortable. You can apply it to any dance at the very end. Okay? Go have fun, practice, and we'll be right back with the next ending.